Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit SEO on Shopify. So SEO stands for search engine optimization, which means if your SEO is done right on Shopify, your store will be ranked higher in search engine results. So to do that, go to online store and click on preferences. Here you can see title and meta description. So you have to put in your homepage title that is related to your store. And after that, give your homepage meta description and click on save. And that is how you can edit SEO on Shopify. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.